get the other ones done. But yeah. But that's really it for the on foot. These are cool. I think that's it. We're gonna call it a day. Chill. It's Sunday. Thought it was Saturday, but it's actually Sunday, and that's 2 pairs for the day. That's it, guys. I'm pretty tired. Last week was heavy with all those releases. I probably won't do the daily releases this week, but we'll see about that. But I'm out. Peace, love, and light. You good? Any last words?
Good.
All right. Got the one wheel with the baby. That's crazy, man. People in Colorado Springs are different.
We got the GORE-TEX joints today, and I was really excited about these, and unfortunately I was a little bit let down about these, and we'll talk about that here in a second. And to be honest with you guys, this video and the last video, I actually didn't plan on filming them. It's just that Russ had some time, and he's like, hey, you want to step out there and just get these 2 knocked out? And I was being lazy, and I was like, you know what, let's do it. This was the last GORE-TEX sneaker that I reviewed, and I absolutely love these, and it was the perfect day, obviously a snow day, to test these out. And they're waterproof. Like, I love the GORE-TEX material. They used to make the high-tech boots back in the day that were all GORE-TEX, so I was like, I gotta have the 5s. Plus they kind of look like the black metallic, so I was like, let's do it. So with this one in particular, it is a women's sneaker, and I'm actually starting to feel like I just reviewed nothing but the women's releases at this point. And you see the GORE-TEX right there. That was a clear indicator of, you know what, this might be a lower tier. If you look at that Jumpman right there, his arm, again, clear indicator that this is not like the highest tier of a build. I'll just leave it like that. In the upper, I had to brush the entire upper of the shoe just to get it to transition a little bit. And I'm sure the retail GORE-TEX sneaker has a lot more transitional suede. Now, the shoe is waterproof. You saw I tested the waterproofness of them. So that was good. They actually protected my feet. My socks did not get wet at all. But just the overall shape of the shoe, or more of the materials that they use and some of the stitching, just the little fine things is what wasn't crispy enough for me. And I know the seller might not like that, but it just is what it is. I gotta be honest. So it's form over, function over form in this case. And that looks good. The teeth look good, but just overall, see the 23 there, I don't know. You know, I can't lie. You can see this stuff yourself, and like I said, I had to brush these pretty good just to get them to transition a little bit. I mean, Yeah, that's actually pretty good. And they transition. I just had to do that. So you guys take that for what it is. I do like the Gore-Tex, I guess, brand, if you want to call it that. When you see a Gore-Tex shoe, they said you're guaranteed to keep you dry. Like, they have that actually trademarked. And if you're wondering what Gore-Tex is a patented type of waterproof fabric made with a variant of polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE. So I just roll with that, and I think they said something about it being extended PTFE. So yeah, but I do know they look good on feet, which is, I guess, the main point is to, they look great on your feet. Oh yeah, and they're actually waterproof. That is proven. Had dry socks when I went in the house. But that's my time, guys. Drop a few more videos this week. I think got some more retail versus whatever, and follow me on IG. Peace, love, and light. Love you guys.